Hey everyone, James Reeves at Beretta Defense Technologies, BDT, Enforce TAC, Nuremberg. I'm with my good friend Luca. You guys remember Luca? I interviewed him and we talked about the PMX, the Beretta PMX at the EOS show in Verona last year. Always a treat to have you on the program. This guy knows his stuff. One of my favorite guests to have on TFBTV.
Thank you so much, thank you so much.
Of course, and we have now a new version of your 308, the ARX 200.
Yeah.
We've got actually two versions that we're looking at, but let's talk about the base ARX 200 that I got to shoot last year. Tell me everything about it.
Right, so we're talking about the ARX 200 battle rifle. Is our semi-automatic and automatic rifle in 308 7.62 for 51 NATO caliber. You can see now this normal version, full-size version with the 16-inch long barrel, but we have another version in the 13 long barrel for CQB or wherever you want. We use the standard Beretta magazine and polymer, but we can change this part. We can use the R10 magazine, Macul or SR25 steel magazine. And it's a very nice rifle. We can engage without any problem. The target at maximum 600 meters with a 2 MOA precision. And we move here and we develop the DMR version. Is a ARX 200 DMR 7.62 for 51 NATO caliber. In this case, we have the version 20-inch long barrel. We can engage without any problem the target at more than 800 meters. And with all ammo, we're talking about 168 grains or 175 grains. And now we start to work with Ammo Tech for improving the capacity of over penetration and engage the target at different distance. So we have the full-size version, but we have other two versions, 16-inch long barrel and 13-inch long barrel. 13-inch long barrel we developed with the Italian SWAT team, law enforcement, because they have a big problem for their vehicle, especially for undercover situation, undercover war, for cover the VIP and the top of the building or other. So about this, if you see the 20-inch long barrel, we have a sound suppressor, our Beretta B-Silent sound suppressor or other company. M-Lock system, we have two positions of the valves for use the sound suppressor. Here we have a normal standard magazine for Beretta in polymer, or you can change this part, you can use the R10 magazine family. It's a reciprocating bolt, and we can change the charging handle from the left to the right to the left. The rifle is completely ambidextrous. You have the firing selector in only one position, safe and semi-automatic, because we have inside a double-stage trigger group. In this case, for example, if you talk about the ARX 200 battle rifle, we have a single stage, not dual stage, because you know it's a two different, yes. And interchangeable pistol grip with R family, and folding stock, we can move in up and down the cheek rest and the shoulder system. You can move in this direction and up and down, because for us it's very important for the sniper guys to modify the stock for their position. Obviously, only one is different. And other specs about it, we've improved our capability with the Steiner product. In this case, we have a M7 scope with the ballistic computer inside, and the ballistic by Bluetooth can talk with the FM LT, the laser range finding. So in this configuration with the Steiner product, Beretta and Ammo Tech, we can improve our capability for wherever you want.
Luca, talk to me about the weight, because this looks like a pretty robust rifle with a lot of stuff on it too. What are we looking at here in terms of weight?
So the weight without accessories, we're talking about less than 5 kilos. That is very important, especially when you move the rifle, when you change the target, and when you put all accessories on top. Okay, and less than 5 kilos, we are maybe in the first on the market.
What type of accuracy am I going to expect out of the DMR version? I know you said in the battle rifle version you're looking at like 2 MOA, which is really good, but what about the DMR version?
Here we are around 1.5 MOA and sometimes 1 MOA precision. So I test this in Malaysia, for example, during my last training, and at 500 meters with 175 grains ammo, I was around 15 centimeters for the precision. It's very nice.
Yeah, sounds fantastic. And Luca, you're fantastic, man. I mean, having you on the program, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to ask you a question. You know everything off the top of your head. It's an absolute treat to have you. And guys, it's a treat to have you watching our coverage from Enforce Tech. Stay tuned because we've got IWA tomorrow.